Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use multiple Steam accounts on one computer so you can easily switch between them without messing up your games or settings. Start by opening the Steam app and signing out of your current account. To do this, click Steam in the top left corner, then select Change Account. Steam will log you out and bring you back to the sign-in screen. Here, just enter the username and password for the other account you want to use. Once signed in, you'll see that your game library changes to match the account you're on. If you want to switch again, just repeat the sign out process. Steam will remember your previous logins, so you won't have to type everything in each time. Just select the account from the login dropdown. Also, if both accounts own the same game, you can install it once and play it on either account without re-downloading, which saves time and storage. And that's how you use multiple Steam accounts on one computer. Thanks for watching.